So whether you've been running your small business for a while or you are just getting started, at some point you're probably going to need to make a bit of a plan around how you're going to actually promote your business and market yourself. It's all very well just saying, oh yeah, we're going to do some Instagram posts or set up a Facebook page, but without going in with an actual plan and a strategy and being clear around your position in the market, your ideal customer, stuff like that, you're going to find it very difficult to actually get anywhere with your marketing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put together a marketing plan, both as a document format and a more flexible option as well. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to help get you set up with your marketing as a small business. So hi, if you're new here, my name is Anna from byrosanna.co.uk. I'm a designer and online educator, and here on YouTube I share videos all about productivity, business, marketing and all that good stuff. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up while you're there. So what's the point in actually having a marketing plan? First of all, if you have a team or you're planning to have a team at some point, whether that is hiring an assistant or actually growing a group of people around you, you're going to want to have some kind of point of contact where everyone can reference what it is they're actually supposed to be doing in terms of promoting the business. Having a written marketing plan means that everyone is on the same page, literally, and knows what's going on. So it can be really useful for that. But even if you're not planning on having a team, maybe you are a solopreneur or just going freelance yourself, creating a marketing plan for your business means that you can stay focused and just have a place for you to be able to reference back when you are in need of inspiration on what to do or struggling to make decisions in that area. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to create a marketing plan. The first is to create a document marketing plan. Now I have got a free template that you can download. There are 18 pages there for you to fill in both a PDF format so that you can have it to browse through and also a document format as well. And I will leave the link in the description of this video if you want to download it. But this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to talk you through the sections that should be included and that I have included within this template as well. So first of all, you want to include an introduction to your business, give a bit of background about yourself, and then go into the market research and analysis section of the plan. This is where you want to be looking at your surrounding market, what competitors are doing, what the industry is like at the moment, and basically analyze it for strengths and weaknesses and opportunities for your business to grow. And within this template, I've also filled in loads of prompts and explanations on how to fill in each section, as well as links to other resources that I have for you on the different topics as well. For example, if you want to complete a competitor analysis, I have a link to more resources about that as well in the template, and also a SWOT, a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats analysis in there as well. Then we move on to the objectives section. You want to use this area to set SMART goals, so making sure that they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound. Basically targets that you can set yourself that are going to help you to achieve your overall business goals as well. The next section is the strategy section. So in here, you want to include details about your products and services, how you actually make money in your business, what your offerings are, and also your brand positioning and pricing as well. And this is where it's really good to have that previous research about the market that you're in and your competitors, so that you can use that to get really clear on where you actually stand in terms of your brand positioning and your prices as well. There's loads of explanation in this template if you want more details about that area. Then we get into the actual communications and marketing side of things. So things like direct marketing, face-to-face, trade shows, events, but also content marketing as well. So maybe you want to include your plans for creating a blog for the business, what kind of topics should be included, whether you're going to start an email newsletter, how you're going to get people to sign up to that, what you're going to do once people are on that email list. I have loads of videos here on YouTube about email marketing, blogging, all of that stuff as well. Maybe you're going to set up on different social media accounts, Instagram, Pinterest. You want to detail your plans for utilizing those platforms in your marketing plan as well. And don't forget things like PR and publicity as well. So maybe, again, you're going to run events, maybe you're going to reach out to places to write articles and guest blog. And of course, you don't want to forget your website as well and how that is working to promote your business and get you customers. Maybe you're also looking at including paid advertising in your marketing, in which case you want to detail your plans for this as well as a budget as well. And finally, the last section should always include some analysis, how you're going to monitor where you're at with achieving your goals for each of those platforms, each of those areas, and make sure that it's easy to keep track of those numbers. So that's how to create a marketing plan as a document if you want to have it all written down in that format. However, my preference for creating a marketing plan, as long as you're not someone who needs to show this to shareholders or to investors potentially, then I like a much more small business flexible approach to this, and that is by creating a Trello board marketing plan, which I have a template for as well. If you go to the link in the video description below to download the marketing plan template, you will also get access to this Trello board template as well. And in this template, I've got different lists where I can basically store the different areas of information for my marketing plan. So we've got a goals and objectives list, and in here you can create a card for each of your individual goals. By the way, Trello is a free project management system which I am obsessed with. I have loads of videos here on YouTube about how to use it, and this is one of the ways that I like to utilize it as a way to basically capture information, but in a really flexible way so that it's easy for me to edit, easy for me to access when I'm on the go. I can add people to it, I can move things around and change things really easily, because as we know, things change a lot and very quickly when you run a business, so you want to be able to have that flexibility. So we also have a list for your background, so detailing who your ideal customers are. Maybe you've got more than one type of ideal customer, which is why I've added 2 here. Space for your competitor analysis, space for your market analysis, your positioning, and then a list for products and pricing where you can detail all of the services and products that you offer in your business. Then we have a separate list for content marketing where you can include all of the platforms that you plan to use and include your goals for each of those platforms, your strategy, any details or budget that you might have around them. Direct marketing and PR, this is kind of events, email pitching. You could include telemarketing if that's relevant for your business. You can add as many cards and details for the different platforms and areas that you're utilizing as you like here. And then the analysis section is where you can track all of the numbers and how you are actually reaching your goals. I have a link in this card here to a blog post I have about how to create an analytics dashboard in your business, which you might find useful for keeping track of things. I've also included links in all of these cards to places where you can get more resources and information about all of this as well. So I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to go and download the free document template, which also comes along with this free Trello template as well. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back again with another video next week.